This is Polestar 5 Prototype 2024. Polestar is showing a development prototype of the Polestar 5 in public for the first time at the 2022 Goodwood Festival of Speed, 23 to 26 June. These great shots are exactly from this event. The car is planned for launch in 2024 and is the third of 3 new EVs expected to be launched by Polestar in the coming 3 years, following the Polestar 3 and Polestar 4 electric SUVs. While the Polestar 5 is still a work in progress, the company can't wait to announce that it will have a best-in-class version with a powerful twin-engine setup. Engineers are targeting 884 horsepower, 650 kilowatts, and 900 Newton meters, 664 pound-feet, of torque. The Polestar 5 won't go into production until 2024, hence why this car is still completely camouflaged. It also has transient lights, which explains why it is equipped with good halogens. We can't wait to see the final product. Don't forget to subscribe to Vehicle TV.